Hi, my name is Dr. Kyle Bryant. I am the founder and one of the treating chiropractors at Integrative Chiropractic and Extremities, or more commonly known as ICE. At ICE, we've structured the clinic to be catered more towards patients who have long-standing chronic ailments, or they've just simply had little or no success going to other clinics around the area, whether that be chiropractic, naturopathic, conventional medicine, all those different approaches. We're looking to provide something that's a little more holistic and unique. We specialize in full spine chiropractic adjustments, assessments, manipulations. We also specialize in extremity adjustments that can range from the fingertips to the shoulders to the elbows, ankles, hips, and knees. We also have soft tissue techniques that involve vibration massage therapy, that involve instrument-assisted soft tissue mobilization. We also offer cold laser therapy, which is a very new, unique, and promising therapy as far as promoting the healing process in the human body. So that can help with all sorts of ailments that maybe even chiropractic and soft tissue care wouldn't typically help with. One of our big goals here at ICE is to make sure that people walk through the door already having a firm understanding that they're going to be in a good place to be taken care of, knowing that we'll give them the time, the effort, and ideally the outcome that they're looking for to get back to their normal everyday lives.